Once your Advertiser account is ready, click Add New Campaign to create your first AdCentral campaign. Enter a campaign name, select an objective, brand awareness, local engagement, or time-sensitive, and choose your campaign dates. Next, configure your schedule. You can use automated scheduling or select specific time slots based on your requirements. Now, set your budget. Choose between a daily or lifetime budget and enter your preferred amount. You can also enable dynamic budgeting for AI-powered optimization and select your spending and delivery preferences. Time to upload your campaign assets. You can upload images or videos, ideally in both landscape and portrait formats for maximum screen compatibility. Select your content category, language, and any applicable display restrictions. For image campaigns, set the display duration. Now it's time to define your target audience. Search for the location you want to target, set the desired radius, and click Add. You can add multiple target locations to expand your campaign reach. Next, upload any supporting licenses or legal documents if required for your content category. Review the user agreement, then accept the terms to continue. Finally, enter your payment details and click Pay Now to complete your campaign. You're all set. Once payment is completed, your AdCentral campaign will be submitted for review and delivery.